Okay, y'all, if you're coming in to shop at the JBF sale, you're gonna see it looks like construction still go through. You're gonna go around the lovely construction vehicles. And there are 2 places you can park. There are lots to the right and to the left of where I am right now that you can park. The other option is you keep coming through, and when you get to the buildings, take a left. There's plenty of parking right here. Let me get this out of the holder. That is where you're gonna go in, that middle entrance right over there. So you can keep going in this way. Put you back in my holder so I can drive. Or if all of this is full, you're also welcome to park back here. Hope that makes it a little easier.